Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video we will be reviewing the Hipobuy's strength, the trustworthiness, their service, and also their payment methods. By the way, this video is sponsored, so make sure to check the description link on our bio. Hey guys, so let us review Hipobuy right here. So when I first hear about Hipobuy, I think it is actually amazing, especially for those people who can't directly buy from China, like China website, like for instance Taobao, Xianyu, 1688. Like if you're eyeing for an item, I suggest Hipobuy. If you can't order directly from those websites, then you just wanna paste the link right here, and Hipobuy will do its thing. They will act as a third agent for to make it possible for the products from those website like Taobao 1688 to make it to your home. And yes, they made it possible. For Hipobuy, they made it possible because they will act as a third agent to be able to assist you on purchasing products from all channels in China. So these are their details right here. So other than that, they have a lot of features like shipping estimation. So for those who doesn't know, shipping estimation is the predicted amount of time and sometimes the cost it will take for an order to be processed, shipped, and delivered to you. You just want to fill out these details right here, and you can now have a estimation of your products of how much would it cost you. Other than that, we have their payment methods. They're actually pretty flexible because there are a lot of payment methods. We have right here PayPal. They also accept MasterCards, Visa cards, and other cards right there. And yes, they have a lot of also they accept crypto. So yes, it is actually pretty flexible. And right here, you can join their community and can receive some discounts and coupons in order to you can use it here in Hipobuy. So what else? My favorite feature is that you can have a customized photo or video about your product. You just want to add it to your service so that you can see if your product is actually legit. You can really check it in real time. They will add so you can check it right here on your cart. Go to this product right here, proceed to check out. Let's say, for example, this one. Proceed to check out, and then right here, you can add a service where you can get a customized photo and video of your product. So, isn't that amazing? And yes, other than that, there are actually a lot features of Hipobuy. You should try it out if you want something from China channels that you can't get directly from those website. You must try Hipobuy. And that's all, guys. Thank you.